Today, I'm going to share how you can prevent hypertension and how to manage it if you already have it. Did you know that around 95% of high blood pressure cases are classified as essential hypertension? This means the exact cause is unknown. But don't worry, we'll explore key factors that can contribute to this condition.
High blood pressure causes, interestingly, about 20% of the time, hypertensive medications don't work. This is because high blood pressure is often just a symptom of an underlying issue. Treating the symptom without addressing the root cause is like covering up the problem rather than solving it. Vitamin D deficiency and high blood pressure. One factor that can lead to hypertension is vitamin D deficiency. Your body's water pressure control system works overtime when you're low on vitamin D, causing the arteries to constrict and increasing your blood pressure. Additionally, low vitamin D levels can cause sodium retention, and more sodium means more water in your system, leading to even higher blood pressure. Genetic high blood pressure. If you have genetic predispositions to high blood pressure, it's often linked to problems with vitamin D. This makes maintaining adequate levels even more important. Insulin resistance and hypertension. Another factor is insulin resistance. Eating a diet high in carbohydrates or snacking frequently can lead to insulin resistance, a condition that contributes to high blood glucose levels. This is a key factor in many chronic health conditions, including fatty liver, high cholesterol, belly fat, and, of course, high blood pressure. Vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D doesn't just help with blood pressure, it also aids in calcium absorption, which is crucial for heart health. High blood pressure medication. While medications are commonly prescribed for hypertension, it's important to remember they are often addressing the symptom and not the cause. Long-term reliance on medication without lifestyle changes may not solve the root of the problem. How to lower blood pressure? So, what can you do? First, make sure you are getting enough vitamin D, especially in the winter months when sun exposure is lower. Those with darker skin are at an even higher risk for vitamin D deficiency, so supplementing might be necessary. Next, ensure you are consuming enough potassium, about 4,700 mg daily, as it helps counterbalance excess sodium. Finally, a healthy diet low in carbs and sugar will reduce insulin resistance, supporting overall cardiovascular health. By addressing these underlying causes, you can lower your blood pressure naturally and avoid long-term complications.